Hello, everybody. It's me, Bell. No, I can't say my name. Blel. I said blel. Okay, poquito. I have a new visitor here today, but I'm not gonna say her name. Come in. Hi, it's my cousin. Bye. Ah! Hey.
Hi, I'm taking over
This is my YouTube channel.
I'm taking over her channel!
Now. So today we're gonna be rating her slimes. Her slimes. She's crazy. Enough.
Let's go. Oh my god.
Aren't you eating them already? So
More.
wait.
You want blue raspberry or strawberry?
The left. Agree.
You can still get strawberry.
So we're gonna be rating all the slimes.
Okay.
Okay, let me get more of them.
Let's do these first.
Ah,
Okay. She don't know how to talk, so I'm gonna talk for her.
how you so mean?
First, we're gonna do the slime that she
No.
made today.
Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with it. It turned blue.
It doesn't. What was that? I don't know.
It was like a fly, right?
I guess.
So for some reason, when I came back to play with this slime, it had blue dye inside.
Yeah, I don't know why. I was just sitting there and I didn't like touch it or anything.
She was hanging out with my little sister.
Yeah, because she was kept on crying.
I was like, what's that?
So let's do the
Break it in half.
dog. I dropped the piece on the floor.
So this is the slime.
It's
I
not. It's rippy.
I don't know why. I think Luby jumped a hole inside. Kooky? I think Kooky. You don't know who he is, so that's kind of good. I think my other cousin dumped like a whole entire bottle of activator in my slime.
By the way, we're just rating slimes. Did you say that already?
Yeah, rating slime.
Oh, she already said.
And so these are all her slimes, but some of them I made with her.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna rate this.
I think I'm gonna rate this like a 7 out of 10. It's good, but it's rippy.
I'm gonna rate this. Oh, we got some. I'm gonna rate this a 5.8. It's not the best, but I mean, it's like it gives it good poking noises.
I'm actually gonna rate it like a 7.5 out of 10. It's good, but it's just not really fun.
Yeah. So
The weird things are stuff is coming out of it, and it's has blue stuff inside.
maybe we'll just wait.
Yeah,
Okay,
throw it away.
next is my slime that I made.
I don't know why she's always lucky, but it's best.
It's just that I have a lot of experience. So let's go overhead. Fine.
No, what? Show the table.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's
Save
like
some
a.
space for me.
It's like a baby pink type of color.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Open.
Girl, you just grabbed it. Okay, so this is
I
what
did. You only took a crown.
It's super duper soft and fluffy.
And I was the person that wanted to do a competition, but somehow the competition wanted me to lose, so I did.
So the texture is absolutely amazing.
And everyone, you find my little sister, she's a baby, and if you have anything pink in front of her, don't show her. I swear, she is obsessed with pink. If she sees pink around you anywhere, she is going to kidnap you and take all your pink strawberries. I'm not kidding.
This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna rate this 11 out of 10. So good.
I'm gonna rate this like a 9.8 out of 10.
Okay. It's so like soft and fluffy. It's like stretchy, and it also gives it really good pokes. Look.
I don't know what happened to mine, but yeah.
Okay, so let's rate.
Okay. I already rated it.
Oh yeah, I know. I was just saying to put it back. Okay. Next slime.
Let me get some.
Get that blue one. No, this one.
I want to bring that one up.
That blue.
Ooh.
Ew, what is that on it?
This thing leaks green.
Go get a napkin. What is that? Just like liquidy stuff on it. What is that? It smells like baby oil. That's like green. I think it leaked. Let me just go ahead and wipe this. I didn't buy it, but I didn't make it, but I bought it.
And this one, I bought it, but she fixed it, and she never gave it back to me.
I didn't really fix it yet, so
You added like shampoo or lotion onto it.
yeah, I tried. This one,
It's space going.
sorry. Okay, let's try this one first.
This one
Is
kinetic sand.
no, it's not kinetic sand. It's
Slime sand?
yeah, slimy sand. If you guys don't know what that is, it's just like look, like that. It's like fluffy.
It's just like really fluffy, but it's really messy and it dyes your table. So don't play with it if it's white. But we're doing it just for you guys because we don't want you to be left out. Well, I don't know.
Scent. This is a blue raspberry scent.
It smells bad now because she had this for like a long time.
It still smells good.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I'm never. So
It's super, oh my god. It's like super fluffy.
we went swimming today,
When we were not supposed to because it's too cold.
but I didn't care.
I pushed her in.
And I was like, "Brr, it's cold." 5 minutes later, okay, I actually like this.
Ooh.
It dyed our table. Dyed your table. I'm at your house.
We're gonna do only one more slime.
And she said that she wanted to turn me into a Korean baddie girl. Which I suppose I don't know what that means. And she made me look like a hyena.
She looked like a hyena, like actually.
Don't show them the photos. I'll show you in a different video.
Yeah. And by the way, this is one of the first videos. Instead was short. So yeah, I'm gonna rate this. I love the smell, but the texture and it's really messy. So I'm gonna rate it like a 6.5 out of 10.
I'm gonna rate this like a 3.8 out of 10.
Okay.
It's not my favorite.
We're only gonna do one more slime because we have to go eat in a little bit. And I'm gonna make the food.
And then we're gonna do some other videos. Maybe whatever you think.
Whatever you guys want.
That one is supposed to be mine.
Yeah, this is hers, but it she left it in my house, or
Because she wanted to make it, but it didn't really go as planned.
okay, right away this is a 0 out of 10.
Ew. It was better in the bag.
0 out of 10. I'm not.
You
playing
know
with
what?
this.
It's so bad. I want to rate it a 0, but since that's not possible, I have to rate it a 1. What? That's what the slime deserves for being bad. Sin! Oh my! Pikachu.
Oh my God! It's the right.
It's your mom?
0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Do not get this one.
It's the stupid putty. You
Alright.
got a noise sound putty? Don't get it. It's horrible.
I'm warning you. Don't get it. Okay, bye.
Boy, every Pikachu fans.